ba pinapaliwanag mo ang sarili mo?
Sarili ko, Mr. Chair.
Paliwanag mo yung sarili mo.
Yes, sir.
Ba't babagin ka na ibang pangalan dito?
No, Mr. Chair, kasi...
ngayon na lang ako.
Mr. Chair, ang
Ngayon na lang ako nagsalita, ha? Hindi ako nagkasalita kanina pa. Ha?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Ang sinabi kasi ni Colonel Asierto,
I saw PIDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva raising his hand. May I
Yes.
know what that is, General Villanueva?
Mr. Chair, habang tinatanong ni Honorable Congresswoman Luistro si Colonel Asierto, nabanggit niya ang pangalan ko as one of those na may patong sa sindikato.
Sige, please explain. You have 2 minutes.
Mr. Chair, nagsilbi ako ng 38 years. 8 years. Laban sa insurgency, anti-terrorism, kidnapping, at illegal drugs. Never na pumatong ako. Kaya kong tumingin kahit kaninong mata na wala akong pinirahan kahit kanino. Now, bakit ko daw kinlir si Michael Yang? 2004, kahit magtumbling-tumbling si Colonel Asierto, walang pangalang Michael Yang na personality sa Davao Clandestine Laboratory. Dahil kung kasama ang personality sa Davao Clandestine Laboratory, dahil kung kasama ang Michael Yang doon, dapat kasama siya sa kinasuhan namin. Umabot ng 2016, wala pa rin Michael Yang. Now, tinanong ni Honorable Congresswoman Luistro, si Colonel Asierto, ano ba ang report na ibinigay mo kay General, kay Chief PNP? Ang sabi niya, si Michael Yang ay kasama ni Alan Lim at Johnson Chua. Johnson Chua is a personality. Kasama po siya sa kaso. Alan Lim is a personality na nahuli sa Cavite Clandestine Laboratory. Just because kasama mo yung Alan Lim and Johnson Chua na wala ka pang pinapasok na ebidensya na related sila, ipapasok mo na agad ang pangalang Michael Yang. In fact, walang information na pumasok sa akin na Michael Yang is involved.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. Ano ba, sino ang pinapaliwanag ni General Villanueva? Siya ba o si Michael Yang? Sino ba
Chair.
pinapaliwanag mo? Ang sarili mo?
Sarili ko, Mr. Chair.
Paliwanag mo yung sarili mo.
Yes, sir.
Ba't babagin ka na ibang pangalan dito?
No, Mr. Chair, kasi...
ngayon na lang ako.
Mr. Chair, ang
Ngayon na lang
sinabi
ako
kasi...
nagsalita, ha? Hindi ako nagkasalita kanina
Yes,
pa. Ha?
yes, Mr. Chair. Ang sinabi kasi ni Colonel Asierto, patong ako dahil ikinlir ko si Michael Yang. So, as far as I'm concerned, Mr. Chair, wala akong kahit anong information about Michael Yang. Nagbigay siya ng information kay General Bato, kay General Aquino. So, Alan Lim, involved sa illegal drugs. But, Mr. Chair, baka pwedeng maipakita natin, kasi pinatawag kasi ako sa Malacanang noong 2021 para i-explain yung aking saloobin tungkol kay Alan Lim. Baka pwedeng mai-flash natin, Mr. Chair, yung alleged Alan Lim na
Point of
picture ng
order,
kanina
Mr.
na dalawa.
Chair.
Okay, yes.
He is lawyering for Michael Yang and
No,
Alan
Mr.
Lim.
Chair. No, Mr. Chair.
General Villanueva, may I just ask you to refrain from speaking because the committee members feel that you are lawyering for someone.
No, Mr.
I
Chair.
just allowed you to speak because your name was alluded
Yes,
to
Mr.
and was
Chair.
mentioned in the questioning propounded by Congresswoman Luistro.
Yes,
so,
Mr. Chair.
yun lang ang iyong sabihin, no? Wala nang iba. Do not speak in behalf of whoever.
Yes, sir.
Yung
Sir,
sarili mo
Mr.
lang.
Chair, Mr.
And
Chair.
You have,
For the sake of accuracy, can we please confirm first from Colonel Asierto if he is included dun sa pumapatong?
Mr. Chair.
andyan pa ba si Colonel Asierto? Colonel Asierto?
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, ang tanong ni Congresswoman Luistro, kung included ba raw sa iyong statement na may mga patong itong si General Wilkins Villanueva?
Ang sinasabi ko po is clear niya si Michael Yang at si Alan Lim dun sa sinasabi niyang statement sa Malacanang. Ngayon, bakit niya i-clear? Kinausap niya ba si Michael Yang? Kinausap niya ba si Alan Lim at that time? Bakit niya clear? Kasi inutos sa kanya ni Bongo, saka ni Presidente Duterte.
So, yan ang yung basis para sabihin na si General Villanueva ay kasama sa patong. Tama po ba yan?
Opo, dahil pinotektahan niya yung dalawa eh.
Ayan, very clear ang sinabi ni Colonel Acerto. So,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
you can actually defend yourself. I'll
Yes.
I'll give you 1 minute to do that, General Villanueva.
Ito, Mr. Chair, yun explain ko nga, sir, Mr. Chair. Bakit ko kinir si Michael Yang? Kasi wala akong information eh. At siya ang nagbigay ng information about Michael Yang. Hindi naman niya sinabi sa akin, Mr. Chair eh. I don't have information about Michael Yang. Yung kay Alan Lim, Mr. Chair, kasi, Mr. Chair, I was trained ng facial recognition sa International Law Enforcement Academy sa Bangkok, Thailand. And part of that module is facial recognition. Yung pinasok kanina doon, Mr. Chair, na picture na dalawa, ang laki ng diferensya, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa next hearing. Meron pa kasi tayong isang topic today and our resource persons are here since this morning.
But,
We
Mr. Chair,
still-
I do not deny na si Alan Lim...
Wait. Do not speak when the chair does not recognize you.
Yes,
okay?
Mr. Chair. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair.
I am explaining. So, papunta ho tayo sa next topic natin for today, EJK. Di pa ho tayo tapos. I will give you all the time when the appropriate time comes. So, tapusin lang po natin yung ating mga interpellators and then we shift to another topic. But I gave you already 2 minutes to defend yourself, General Villanueva. So, another 30 seconds for your closing remarks. Sige.
I'm okay, Mr. Chair. But
Okay.
I do not deny na si Alan Lim ay yun yung picture na naandun sa Cavite.
Okay, sige.
Kasi nahuli talaga siya sa Cavite, Mr. Magkasabay sila. Nung nag-ooperate kami sa Davao, si Alan Lim nahuli sa Cavite Clandestine Laboratory, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. We'll take note of
Mr.
that.
Chair.
We will ask that more questions about that in the next hearing. So,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
In relation to,
in relation to...
while Wilkins is present, Mr. Chair.
O sige, Congressman Flores
Just a few
and then
questions.
Congressman Konghun. Congressman Konghun is supposed to be the next
With this
interpolator.
indulgence, Mr. Chair.
With the indulgence of Konghun.
Few questions lang.
Mr. Chair, okay, sige, go ahead.
Thank you. Jay.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Wilkins, were you present during the Dumoy raid sa Davao?
I led that operation, Mr. Chair.
You led that operation as PIDEA Region 11?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And you were with your personnel at that time that the raid was conducted?
It was a joint operation by PDEA 11, PACER Northern Mindanao, PACER Mindanao Area Office, Intelligence and Investigations Service ng Regional Office
So
11,
several units.
and including AIDSOT, Mr.
But you as the lead?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasama ko dyan si Colonel Acerto, Mr.
All right.
Chair.
Now, in this raid, this resulted in the death of 6 Chinese drug suspects, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And that there were hundreds of kilos of shabu confiscated during this raid.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, in this raid, which you led, did you prepare or submit an official report to your superiors in the PDEA?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, before I go back to you, DG Lazo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, does PDEA have a record of this report that General Wilkins is referring to?
None, Your Honor.
None?
Yes, Your Honor.
From the official records of PIDEA?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why is that so, Director General Lazo?
The reason that I'm getting from my office, Your Honor, is that PIDEA only came into creation 2002. So this happened in 2004. So apparently, hindi pa